Natural breathing, lie in Shavasana and relax the whole body. Do not move. Observe the natural and spontaneous breathing process. Develop total awareness of the rhythmic flow of the breath. Develop total awareness of the rhythmic flow of the breath. Feel the breath flowing in and out of the nose. Feel the breath flowing in and out of the nose. Do not control the breath in any way. Notice that the breath is cool as it enters the nostrils and warm as it flows out. Observe this with the attitude of a detached witness. Observe this with the attitude of a detached witness. Feel the breath flowing in and out at the back of the mouth above the throat. Bring the awareness down to the region of the throat and feel the breath flowing in the throat. Bring the awareness down to the region of the throat and feel the breath flowing in the throat. Bring the awareness down to the region of the chest and and feel the breath flowing in the trachea and bronchial tubes. Next, feel the breath flowing in the lungs. Be aware of the lungs expanding and relaxing. Be aware of the lungs expanding and relaxing. Shift the attention to the ribcage and observe the expansion and relaxation of this area. Bring the awareness down to the abdomen. Feel the abdomen move upward on inhalation and downward on exhalation. Finally, become aware of the whole breathing process from the nostril to the abdomen and continue observing it for some time. Continue. This is a simple technique which introduces practitioners to their own respiratory system and breathing patterns. It is very relaxing and may be practiced at any time. Awareness of the breathing process itself is sufficient to slow down the respiratory rate and establish a more relaxed rhythm. Now bring the awareness back to observing the physical body as one unit. Om Shanti. Open your eyes.